Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about credit monitoring services from Equifax. Equifax is one of the three major credit bureaus, and yes, it does offer a variety of credit monitoring services. These services are designed to help you keep an eye on your credit reports and protect your identity from fraud. Equifax has a range of products, from free options to paid subscription plans with more comprehensive features. The free services typically include access to your Equifax credit report and a credit score. This allows you to check your information and see how your score is trending. For more robust protection, the paid plans provide additional services. These can include daily monitoring of your credit reports at all three major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, so you get alerts for key changes, like new accounts being opened or hard inquiries. Many of the paid plans also include identity theft protection features, such as dark web scanning for your personal information, identity restoration services if you become a victim of fraud, and even identity theft insurance. In short, Equifax offers multiple credit monitoring options to fit different needs and budgets, ranging from basic, free access to your report to comprehensive, paid plans with advanced fraud protection. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.